की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का।
डिवीजन बेंच ऑर्डर टुडे has given justice to the devotees of this very, very old and ancient temple atop the Thiruparankundram Hills, where Bhagwan Murugan resides, where for centuries now lamps have been lit in reverence of Lord Karthigai, and for centuries now Hindu Dharam has celebrated the Lord and carried out this practice of lighting a lamp, which this year was expected to be lit on 4th of December 2025. It is not a mere coincidence that the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin, his son, Mr. Udayanidhi, and other senior leaders of the DMK have consistently berated, derided, and attacked Sanatan Dharam. So much so that on 2nd September 2023, Mr. Udayanidhi made an audacious and reprehensible demand for the eradication of Sanatan Dharam itself. And for the first time, few months after that, the lighting of the lamp on the Thiruparankundram Hill associated with Lord Karthigai, the Murugan, Bhagwan Murugan, was prevented. This coincidence should not be missed out. They did not allow it to the celebrations and the tradition to be carried out in 24 also. And therefore the devotees went to the court for justice, and justice was delivered by Justice Swaminathan, who permitted through his judgment on 1st December 2025 to continue the practice of lighting the lamp, the Deepathoon at Thiruparankundram. It is extremely unfortunate that the state government went in appeal against the Honorable Judge's order, clearly reflecting a bias against Hindu Dharam, against Sanatan Dharam, clearly reflecting an anti-Hindu mindset, in fact showing the hatred that Mr. Stalin, his son Mr. Udayanidhi, and the DMK party and their friends in the India Alliance have against Hindu Dharma. Their mindset was also reflected by their impeachment motion against Justice Swaminathan. This impeachment motion has been submitted by different members of Parliament of the India Alliance, including Ms. Priyanka Vadra Gandhi, including leaders of the Samajwadi Party, Dharmendra Yadav, Dimple Yadav, leader of NCP Sharad Pawar Group Supriya Sule, leaders of Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray Mr. Arvind Sawant, senior leaders and members of parliament of DMK including Mr. Raja, who are all at the forefront of this anti-Hindu effort, and they are trying to intimidate the judiciary by filing this impeachment motion and making all false allegations against Honorable Justice G.R. Swaminathan. Because of a judgment, they have called him anti-secular. Because of the judgment, they have alleged falsely that he showed favoritism to somebody. Because of this judgment, they have falsely alleged that there was favoritism to advocates from a particular community. And they have also made the ridiculous allegation against the judiciary of political bias or favoring a particular political ideology. This shows, friends, that the so-called people who claim to uphold the Constitution are intimidating the judiciary so that anybody who gives a judgment which they do not like, they will intimidate them with actions such as this impeachment motion. Today, a division bench of the Honorable High Court, Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Justices G. Jayachandran and Justice K. Ramakrishnan, have on the Thiruparankundram Deepam issue given conclusive directions that this is an age-old practice, that the dharam and the sentiments of the local people, which has been going on for centuries altogether, should be respected. The Deepathoon festival should be permitted to be carried out, and they have clearly lifted the veil from the DMK government, from the leaders of the DMK. They have clearly shown that the DMK and the India Alliance is anti-Hindu. They have clearly accepted that this is an ancient and historical practice and directed that the lamp be lit at the hilltop. Friends, the state government's argument about possible law and order problems has also been totally debunked by the Honorable High Court, because apprehension of law and order was an imaginary ghost created by the state authorities as per the judgment. The Honorable High Court has held, and I quote, apprehension of law and order was an imaginary ghost created by state authorities. After all, there have never been any problems. It is only the appeasement politics of the India Alliance, trying to appease members of one community, trying to curry favor from the community who has a small dargah over there and who oppose the practice of the centuries-old practice of Deepathoon. Their reality has been exposed. The Honorable High Court has said, and I quote, that it may happen, that is the law and order problem, it may happen only if such a disturbance is sponsored by the state itself. They have given a very, very big indictment against the state government and their thinking and their approach, and clearly shown that the state government of DMK and Congress, the India Alliance government in Tamil Nadu, may themselves sponsor a disturbance to support their anti-Hindu agenda. Very clearly, this is a party and a set of parties in the India Alliance who, when it doesn't suit them, an order of the court doesn't suit them, they attack the constitutional authority of the court, they put impeachment motions in parliament against them, they cast aspersions on judges and their impartiality and their upholding the constitution. When the election commission doesn't give a favorable judgment to suit their interest, the election commission becomes bad, and they threaten them that if they ever come to power, which seems a very remote possibility, but they threaten them that we will change the law retrospectively and come after you. This kind of anti-India, anti-constitutional activities of the India Alliance has been exposed by the Honorable Judge today, the judges today in their order, and I think it is important that the people of India recognize and respect that institutions and constitutional authorities are today protecting the Constitution, protecting the rights and freedoms to pursue one's religion freely and fairly without obstruction, and any effort by anti-Hindu parties of the India Alliance, by the DMK, by Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin, by Mr. MK Stalin, by the DMK and Congress government in Tamil Nadu, will not be permitted by the people. It is a wake-up call for the people of Tamil Nadu. ये देश के लोगों के लिए एक चेतावनी है कि जागो, बचो इस प्रकार की सोच जो इंडिया अलायंस, जो कांग्रेस पार्टी, जो डीएमके, जो समाजवादी पार्टी, जो तृणमूल कांग्रेस, इस टाइप की पार्टीज की जो सोच है, इससे देश के लोगों को बचना पड़ेगा। ये चेतावनी फिर एक बार हमारे सामने आई है। ये देश तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति कभी स्वीकारित नहीं करेगा। ये देश हर एक को सम्मानित करता है, हर एक धर्म को सम्मान देता है, और ऐसी पार्टियां जो हिंदू धर्म के खिलाफ काम करती हैं, जो अब कहती हैं हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, अभी भी उनको ये स्वीकृत नहीं हुआ। इतना बड़ा कोर्ट के जजमेंट के बाद, डिवीजन बेंच के जजमेंट के बाद, उनकी आलोचना होने के बाद डीएमके और कांग्रेस पचा नहीं पा रही है कि हिंदू धर्म की विजय हुई है, उनकी आस्था की विजय हुई है। ये पचा नहीं पा रही है और उनकी तुष्टीकरण उनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक जाने के लिए बाध्य करती है। मैं घोर निंदा करता हूं इस प्रकार की सोच का। आई कंडेम द इंडिया अलायंस, आई कंडेम द डीएमके led by MK Stalin and Udayanidhi. I condemn the Congress party, Samajwadi party, and other Uddhav Thackeray ji and Sharad Pawar ji for their anti-Hindu thinking, and I'm sure the people of India will give them a befitting response at every single opportunity, just like they gave them a response in Bihar, just like they gave a resounding victory to the BJP and our allies in the NDA in Maharashtra Nagar Nigam elections. in every single opportunity, the anti-Hindu forces will be given a fitting response by the people of India. Thank you.
प्रश्न साधन आमंत्रित है सर प्रकाश पीछे
महाराष्ट्र सेना ने भी इम्पीचमेंट मोशन को सपोर्ट किया था जो
हमने तो बार बार उजागर किया है। महाराष्ट्र में अब सभी लोगों को समझ में आ गया है कि उद्धव ठाकरे जी एंटी हिंदू है, हिंदुत्व के खिलाफ है। उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने बाला साहेब ठाकरे के हर उद्देश्य को छोड़ दिया है, हिंदुत्व को त्याग दिया है। और अब चाहे वो उद्धव ठाकरे जी हो, चाहे उनके नए मित्र मन से महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेना के राज ठाकरे जी हो, चाहे शरद पवार जी और उनकी पारिवारिक पार्टी हो, ये हिंदुत्व के खिलाफ है। और महाराष्ट्र की जनता जो छत्रपति शिवाजी से प्रेरणा लेती है, जो संभाजी महाराज के दिखाए हुए हिंदुत्व के प्रति श्रद्धा और आस्था रखती है, वो कदापि उद्धव ठाकरे, राज ठाकरे, शरद पवार, सुप्रिया सुले जैसे हिंदू विरोधी पार्टियों का कभी समर्थन नहीं करेंगे।
नीरज पांडे जी नीरज पांडे संजय जी नीरज पांडे
तमिलनाडु में हिंदू प्रैक्टिस पर रोक लगाने की बात होती है और दिल्ली के जेएनयू में मोदी तेरी कब खुशे के नारे लगते हैं। आपको लगता नहीं कि पूरे देश में एंटी हिंदू और एंटी बीजेपी मूवमेंट क्रिएट करने की कोशिश हो रही है?
अब ये इंडिया अलायंस के लोग इस प्रकार का व्यक्तिगत माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के खिलाफ जो बयान देते हैं, उसका हर बार उनको भुगतान मिला है, जनता ने जवाब दिया है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है भारत की जनता इस प्रकार के विवादित बयान और धमकियों से डरती भी नहीं है और मुंह तोड़ जवाब इस प्रकार के हिंदुत्व के खिलाफ सोच रखने वाले लोगों को देगी।
संजय शर्मा
सर, आप तमिलनाडु के चुनाव प्रभारी भी हैं, लेकिन एफआईआर का सबसे जो जबरदस्त विरोध हुआ है वो पश्चिम बंगाल के बाद तमिलनाडु में दिखाई दे रहा है। तृणमूल नेता स्टालिन जो जिस तरह से विरोध कर रहे हैं एफआईआर पर,
मुझे लगता है एसआईआर तो एक सामान्य प्रक्रिया है जो हर कुछ वर्षों में होती है। एसआईआर के माध्यम से जो लोग भारत के नागरिक नहीं है, जो लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई है या जिनका डबल वोट है, कई बार लोग प्रवासी होते हैं, दूसरे प्रदेश में जाके दूसरी जगह पे जाके काम करते हैं, उनका वोट अगर दो जगह हो जाए तो स्वाभाविक रूप से एक जगह कटना चाहिए। तो ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन अपने दायित्व का निर्वहन कर रही है। जो लोग इसका विरोध करते हैं उन्होंने जनता को जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि क्या वो इस प्रकार के वोटों के कारण जीत के आते थे पहले, और इसीलिए बिहार में जहां इतना उन्होंने विरोध किया एसआईआर का, उसके बाद जनता ने उनको मुंह तोड़ जवाब देके हराया। जो ऐतिहासिक विजय भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जेडीयू और हमारे एनडीए के चिराग पासवान जी, उपेंद्र कुशवाहा जी, जितेंद्र राम मांझी जी, हमारा पूरा एनडीए गठबंधन को जो ऐतिहासिक विजय बिहार में मिली है, ये स्पष्ट दिखलाता है कि भारत की जनता संवैधानिक प्रक्रियाओं के साथ है। और ऐसे जो इंडिया अलायंस के गठबंधन के पार्टियों की भारत विरोधी और हिंदू विरोधी सोच है, इसको कभी भारत में पनपने नहीं देंगे।
वसुधा वेणुगोपाल
Mr. Goyal, in the Thiruparankundram matter, you say that DMK did all this to appease the Muslim community. Do you expect this to politically benefit you in Southern Tamil Nadu, especially Congress?
This is not a political issue for the Bharatiya Janata Party or for the NDA. This is a matter of upholding high constitutional principles. It is a matter of respect for different religions and the secular fabric of India, which respects all religions. It is a fight against the appeasement politics that the India Alliance, that the Congress, that the DMK have for years followed to divide Indian society, to divide the people of India on the basis of caste, creed and language. This mindset of the DMK and the Congress of dividing society, this mindset of becoming anti-Hindu to further their appeasement politics, this approach of the India Alliance of the Congress to attack constitutional authorities, whether it is the judge who gave an order, file an impeachment motion. If the Election Commission is carrying out its duties to have a clean and correct electoral roll, threaten them with action. When a media person asks an innocent question to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, he alleges you are an agent of the BJP. Even you are not left. You are an equally important constitutional power, upholder of the Constitution. You uphold high standards that this nation is proud of. And therefore, whether the judiciary, whether other constitutional authorities or the press, all of you are victims of the high-handed behavior of the Congress Party and the India Alliance. They still live in the old thinking as if there is only one family, the Gandhi family in this country, as if there is only one family, the Stalin family in Tamil Nadu, and everybody else has to be subservient to that family.
Aishwarya Paliwal. Then
Mr. Goyal, they have been losing elections, but still they have this stand. So do you think their stand will change or they are not understanding?
Well, in Hindi there's an old saying, "Samajhne wale samajh gaye." We cannot help do anything about those people who do not see the writing on the wall, who do not respect constitutional authorities and judgments of the court, who do not respect the verdict of the people of India. And I think such parties and such leaders are clearly they stand exposed today, and the people of India will give them a befitting reply at every single opportunity. Not at all. The basic principle was that the Deepathoon has to be lit on the hill, where it has been lit for centuries now, and it's a very sacred abode of Lord Murugan. The Congress Party and the DMK were attacking and opposing the very lighting of lamp itself at the sacred location, which has been happening for centuries. And I think the fact that the division bench has permitted the lamp to be lit is a big victory of Hindu Dharam, and it's a slap on the face of those who practice appeasement politics. Thank you.
Payal.
The DMK is making charges at you and you are making charges at the DMK. The latest entrant in the North, Vijay, is saying that DMK and BJP are same team because they have allowed permission for Mr. Udaynithi Stalin's film to release, but there has been no censor clearance that has been given to Vijay. They are saying that this government is saying.
Well, I think here we are discussing the anti-Hindu stand of the DMK and Congress, and very clearly the DMK and the Congress are standing exposed today. If Mr. Vijay, understanding of the situation is that we are on the same side, then I do believe the people of Tamil Nadu have to think twice before they even take him seriously as a political player.
Thank you.